Good morning, everyone. Welcome all to your online GK revision class. Today, we are going to begin our revision with give short answers. You have to give the short answer, only one or two word. Okay. Now, first one, name the famous dance of Punjab. So, the famous dance of Punjab is Bhangra. If it is written Punjab, you can write Bhangra. And if it is written Odisha, you can write Odissi. So we have just clubbed these questions. So whatever you are asked, answer them accordingly. Number two, who was the first woman of Indian origin to go to space? So who was the first woman who went to space? Kalpana Chawla. Please write down the spellings very carefully. Okay. Number three, award, which award was won by A.R. Rahman? So it was Oscar Award. Answer is Oscar Award. Number four, which is the famous dish of Sikkim? So which is the famous dish of Sikkim? Momos. Number five, which is the famous food of Uttar Pradesh? So Sheer Mal. So the famous food of Uttar Pradesh is Sheer Mal. Number six, write the names of any two cereals. So the children, there are many cereals. So you can also say jwar, bajra, rice, wheat. So we have written rice, wheat. So whatever spellings you know, you can just write them. So here we have mentioned rice, wheat. Number seven, write the names of any two beverages. So juice, buttermilk, lemonade also you can say. So which write the names of any two beverages. So juice and buttermilk. You can write lemonade also. Okay. It's your wish. Number eight, which is the national game of Bangladesh? So which is the national game of Bangladesh? It's Kabaddi. Number 9, which is the national game of England? So, which is the national game of England? Cricket. National game of Bangladesh is Kabaddi and national game of cricket, England is cricket. Please see, read the questions carefully, then write down the answers. Number 10, where do bulls fight in bullfighting? So in bullfighting, where do the bulls fight? They fight in a bull ring. So the answer is bull ring. Number 11, name a game in which a ball is used. So there are two options, basketball, volleyball. So these in these games there the ball is used. In basketball also we use ball and in volleyball also we use ball. So you have to tell the name. You can, if we'll be asking only one, you can write one also. Name a game. So it means you have to write one game. We have written two, you can write either. 12. Who won the American Footballer Year Award? So it is Neymar. So number 15. Which game is placed by Mary Kom? So which game is placed by Mary Kom? Boxing. Number 14. Who holds the world record in 25-meter pistol? So it is Maria Grace Dera. Number 15, name any two musical instruments. There are many musical instruments, harmonium, guitar, tabla and piano. So you can write any. If you are asked two, you can write any two. So here we have mentioned tabla and guitar. Number 16, who is Harry Potter? Who is Harry Potter? He is a Hollywood star. You know very well. He is a very famous boy, Harry Potter. So who is he? He is Hollywood star. Number 17. What should we do for elders? Children, you might be having elders in your house. You should respect them. You should take care of them. If they don't find anything at home, you can just find for them. You can help them to take their medicines. So there are many duties. So please respect and take care of your elders. So the question is, what should we do for elders? What should we do? We should respect and take care of them. 18. How do we measure vegetables? So you might have seen your mother or father purchasing vegetables. So how do we measure vegetables? We measure them in kilogram. Suppose your mother buys 1 kilo potato, या 2 kg apples. So how do we measure vegetables and fruits? Kilograms. We can write vegetables also. How do we measure vegetables and fruits? Kilograms. 19. What should we do to be punctual in school? Punctual means we should be on time. So what should we do to be punctual in time? Follow a regular routine. 20. Name any two brand names. So washing machine, phones, cars. So there are they are branded, है ना? So there are many brand names. So you can write any two. So Samsung, Adidas. Number 21. Which is a good example of teamwork? Which is a good example of teamwork? Family. Teamwork means when more than one person are working, living, है ना? So in family there are many, your parents, your grandparents, your brother, sister. So there are many. So which is a good example of teamwork? Family. Number 22. Who designs a building? Now whenever you build your house, there is a person who designs your building, ki what should be made at which place. So he is an architect. Please learn these spellings correct carefully. Who designs a building? An architect. If the spelling is wrong, you can just break it. Architect. Don't feel scared the spelling is too long. You can just divide it, break it, and then learn it. 23. Name any two famous monuments of the world. So there are many famous monuments, ancient monuments in the world also, and in our country also. So here we are talking about the world, two monuments of the world. So it is Taj Mahal and Statue of Liberty. Taj Mahal belongs to India. ठीक है. Now 24. Whom should we visit when we have a toothache? Now whenever we have toothache, children, please don't eat too much sweets, है ना? When you eat sweets, your teeth get spoiled. You have cavities, and when you have toothache, and so where do you go? You go to a dentist. Sometimes your grandparents also, they are old, their teeth are not working properly, so they visit a dentist. So when we have a tooth problem, there is a cavity, there is toothache, so we visit a dentist. So the right answer is a dentist. Number 25. Name the longest wall of China. It's very famous wall. So which is the longest wall of China? Great Wall of China. So the name of this longest wall is Great Wall of China. 26. Name the coldest continent. So which is the coldest continent? Antarctica. Here also you can break the word Antarctica. So the answer is Antarctica. 27. Name the island of Great Britain. So which are the island of Great Britain? Wales. 28. Who was the first man to land on the moon? So who was the first man to land on the moon? Neil Armstrong. 29. What is the capital of Pakistan? So what is the capital of Pakistan? Pakistan, Islamabad. 30. Name the currency of USA. In our country, rupees, somewhere there are dollars and pounds. So in the currency of USA is dollar. 31. Name the house of Indian president. So the president of India lives in a special house. So what is it called? It is called Rashtrapati Bhavan. I hope this work is clear to you. Please revise this work, listen to the video carefully, and we are sending the written work along with it. Read these questions carefully and revise your work for your final exam. I hope everything is clear to you. Have a nice day.